Hello students, now I am going to explain intermediate max 2b circles exercise 1c third section children. So this is a very important problem children, 7 marks question. If x square plus y square equal to c square and x by a plus y by b equal to 1 intersect at a and b, then find AB. Hence deduce the condition that line touches the circle. So already we have proved this model children. Line touching the circle means we have to get r equal to d. R is equal to d children. Radius equal to d. So this is a circle children with center C 0, 0. Why? Because given equation of circle is in the form of x square plus y square equal to c square. It is a standard equation of the circle. So here A, B, C, M. So this is R value children, here D value. But in our question radius is directly C children. Why? Because comparing with x square plus y square equal to R square. So radius value is how much children? C. Center is 0, 0. So given line is, so that only I have written children. Center 0, 0. Radius is R equal to C. So given line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then on this side plus will become minus. So consider d equal to perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the line. So here a value means you should compare this with ax plus by plus c equal to 0 children. A means 1 by a, b means 1 by b. Why? Because they are there in denominators, and c value is minus 1 children. So whenever center 0 is there, we are having direct formula mod c by under root a square plus b square. So c value is minus 1 children, modulus of minus 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Modulus of negative is positive by 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Why? Because 1 square is 1, a square is a square only. Here also 1 square is 1, b square is b square. So here LCM is how much children? A square b square. Means bring this b square here, bring this a square here. Means b square plus a square by a square b square. So apply root separately. Root a square plus b square by root a square b square can be written as ab whole square. A square b square can be written as ab whole square. Square root gets cancelled children. So it will become like this. Now reciprocal of this part children, it becomes like this. AB by under root a square plus b square. So 1 into AB is AB. So D is equal to AB by under root a square plus b square. So we have to find length of chord children. AB is equal to 2 into under root r square minus d square. So 2 into radius is c, means c square minus d value is this one children. AB by under root a square plus b square from 2 and 3. C square minus here AB whole square by root a square plus b square whole square. Square root cancel. So this is a condition we got children. We know that line touches the circle, then r equal to d. R equal to d. Therefore, what length of chord becomes children? When radius line touches the circle, then we got radius equal to d condition, we know. So length of chord AB will become 0 children. Means total this value is equal to length of chord will become how much? 0 from equation number 4. Send to that side children, it will become by. So 0 by 2 is 0 children. So to remove square, otherwise send root that side, it will become 0 power 1 by 2. So 0 power 1 by 2 is nothing but 0 children. Send this negative value that side, it will become positive. So 0 plus a square b square by a square b square, a plus a square plus b square is a square b square by a square plus b square. So reciprocal children, do reciprocal this one, 1 by c square equal to a square plus b square by a square b square. Reciprocal means you should write reverse. So numerator will come denominator, denominator will come numerator. So apply denominator separately, a square by a square b square plus b square by a square b square. A square cancel, b square cancel. So what is the remaining condition children? 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. Therefore 1 by c square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Is it clear children? Next is second one. The line y is equal to mx plus c and the circle x square plus y is square equal to a square intersect at a and b. If ab is equal to 2 lambda, then show that c square equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. So here also same process children. Why? Because intersects is given, intersects at a and b, and ab condition is given 2 lambda, and line is given, circle is given, means touching only, intersects. So given equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So in this circle center is 0, 0, radius is how much? R equal to a, r equal to a. So same diagram children, center 0, 0, touching or intersecting m. So this line I have written like this children. So I have sent this y that side, mx minus y plus c is equals to 0. Why? Because given line is y equal to mx plus c. Send y that side children, minus it will become, means mx minus y plus c equal to 0. So we know that d is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. So whenever r center 0, 0, we know this formula. So here a is equal to m, b is equal to minus is there, so minus 1, c equal to c only. So mod c by under root m square plus minus 1 square. So mod c means c only by m square plus 1. So c by 1 plus m square, under root 1 plus m square children. So equation 2, length of chord AB is equal to, we know formula, 2 into under root r square minus d square. But length of chord is given in our question, how much children? AB, how much? 2 lambda. Length of chord is given 2 lambda. AB value is given 2 lambda. See, read the question properly. So substitute 2 lambda is equal to this value, 2 into radius is a, means a square minus c by under root 1 plus m square whole square. 2 to cancel children. So lambda is equal to under root a square minus c square by root 1 plus m square whole square. I have written this square separately for denominator and numerator. Square root cancel. So here LCM is this one children, means a square into 1 plus m square minus c square by 1 plus m square. To remove root we have to do squaring on both sides. Square root cancel. So a square into 1 plus m square minus c square by 1 plus m square. Do cross multiplication, division will come multiplication. So like this. So send this negative value this side, this positive value this side. So after sending, it will become positive, it will become negative. So in these two terms we are having 1 plus m square common, take that. So what are the remaining values? A square minus lambda square. So the required condition is this one only, hence proved. Next, third one children, find the equation of circle with center minus 2, 3, cutting a chord length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is also same model children. So given center of circle is minus 2, 3. Also given length of chord AB is how much children? 2 units. 2 units. So given to find the equation of circle children here, but here concept is same. So this is a circle children, this is a chord AB, and touching or cutting a chord, touching a chord, intersects a chord. So one and the same. 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Center minus 2, 3 is given children. So d is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line children. So we are having formula mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So a value 3, b value 4, c value 4, x1 y1. So here 3 into minus 2, 4 into 3 plus 4 by 3 square plus 4 square. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 4 3 are 12 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 12 how much children? Plus 6 plus 4 I wrote as it is. So 9 plus 16 is 25. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. So root 25 is 5 children. Modulus of 10 is 10 only. 10 by 5 is nothing but 5 1 the 5 to the d is equal to 2. Therefore length of chord, cutting a chord length is given in our question, means length of chord is given how much? 2. So length of chord formula AB is, we know that 2 into under root r square minus d square. So length of chord AB is given in our question is how much? Length of chord. So chord of length 2 units. 2 is equal to 2 into under root r square minus d value how much children? 2. We are not having r value. We have to find r value. After that you should find equation of circle. So 2 to cancel, children. So r square minus 4. Remove square means we have to do squaring on both sides. So 1 square equal to root r square minus 4 whole square. Square root cancel, children. So send this minus this side. So it will become plus. So 5 equal to r square equal to 5, r equal to root 5, children. Therefore, equation of circle having center is given in question how much? C, minus 2 comma 3, and radius how much we got? Root 5 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. H value minus 2, children, k value 3. Substituted here. Because r value is root 5 whole square. Square root cancel. Here minus into minus plus. Here minus. Apply here a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A value x, b value 2. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A value is y, b value is 3. Send this by this side, it will come minus. So x square plus 2 into 2 is 4. 2 square 4. Y square 2 into 3 is 6. 3 square 9. Minus 5. 9 minus 5 how much, children? 4. So now x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus write constants in one bracket, children. 4 plus 4 is 8. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0, which is required equation of the circle. Next, find equation of tangent and normal at 3, 2 of the circle. X square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So given circle is this one. So comparing with general equation, 2g equal to minus 1, 2f equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4. Send to that side by. Here also by. So G, F, C we got, children. So given point is P, 3, 2. So he is asking to find equation of tangent and normal at P with respect to circle s equal to 0, children. So the equation of tangent at P, 3, 2 with respect to circle is s1 equal to 0. So with same model yesterday we did, children. In first bit I have explained. So equation of tangent, after substituting all values we are getting, this is a equation of tangent, children. Next, normal means equation of normal at P with respect to circle s equal to 0 is, this is the formula, children. After substituting all the values, you after simplifying, you are getting this is the equation, children. Equation of normal. Next, fifth problem also same, children. Find equation of tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle. So first of all, here x square y square coefficients are not free from 1. So here we should take 2 common, children. 2 common means x square plus y square minus x minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. 2 common means after sending to that side it will come 0 by 2 is 0. So then comparing, after comparing you will get g values, then you can find equation of tangent, equation of normal, equation of tangent like this, children. After that you can find equation of normal by using same formula like this, substituting values and simplifying, you will get required equation. Next, sixth one, children. So prove that the tangent at 3, minus 2 of the circle x square plus y square equal to 13 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0 and find its point of contact. So it is very important 7 marks question, children. So given circle is, first circle is yes, x square plus y square minus 13 equal to 0. So the equation of tangent at P. So this is a circle, children, s equal to 0. This is another circle, s dash equal to 0, children. Both circles touching, children, like this. Like this they are touching, here at point P, here at point Q. So this point is given how much? 3, minus 2. And here after simplifying you'll get here one line like this. So next we have to find r and d values, children. Here same process, r and d means perpendicular distance. Here radius is perpendicular to tangent. So the equation of tangent at P with respect to s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0 means x1 plus y1 minus 13 equal to 0. So here x into 3 plus y into minus 2 minus 13. X into 3 is 3x plus into minus minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. We got line. That line only I have written here. So given to prove that equation 1 touches the circle h dash equal to 0 and also find point of contact. So touches the circle means what we should prove, children? R is equals to D. R is equals to D. So now comparing above equation with this one, children, after comparing you will get 2g value is 2, 2f value is minus 10, c value minus 26. Send to that side 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 5. So g value, f value, c value we got, children. Center formula minus g comma minus f. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So center value how much, children? Minus 1 comma 5 from equation number 2. So consider radius, children. R equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. So g value 1, f value minus 5, c value minus 26. From where I wrote, children? From 2. So here 1 square is 1, 5 square, 5 minus 5 square is 25, minus into minus plus. So 25, 26, 51 plus 1, 52. 52 can be written as 4 into 13, children. Again root 4 into root 13. Root 4 means 2 root 13. Next consider R is equal to perpendicular distance from center. From center, what is the center, children? Minus 1 comma 5 to the line. What is the line we got, children? 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. So here a value 3, b value minus 2, c value minus 13. So this is the formula we know, children. So here 3 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 5 plus minus 13 by 3 square plus minus 2 square. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Plus into minus minus 13. So here 3 square 9, 2 square 4. So minus 3 minus 10 minus 20, minus 13 minus 13 is minus 26. By here how much? 9 plus 4 is 13. So modulus of negative is positive, children. So 26 by root 13. This 26 can be written as 2 into 13, children. So again 13 can be written as root 13 into root 13. Root 13 cancel. D is equal to how much? 2 root 13. See, children, we got from equation 3 and 4 we got same answers. We get R equal to D. Means 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0 is tangent to both circles. We have proved that touching the circle h dash equal to 0 and also find point of contact. So one part is completed. Next what we have to find? Point of contact. So draw the circle, children. So this, and here center how much we got? Minus 1 comma 5 and q point assume as h comma k. So this is a we got line, children. 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. So to find point of contact, yesterday what we did, children? Foot of perpendicular from center to the line. So foot of perpendicular formula is this one, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of this value. So here a value is 3, b value is minus 2, c value is minus 13, x1 minus 1, y1 5. So substitute all these values here, children. H minus x1 is minus 1 by a value is 3, k minus y1 is 5, b value is minus 5, minus a value is 3, x1 value is minus 1 plus b value is minus 2, y1 value is 5 plus c value is minus 13 by 3 square plus minus 2 square. Why? Because a square plus b square. So here minus into minus plus. Here I wrote same. So write minus as it is. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into plus into minus minus 5 are 10 plus into minus minus. So here I wrote this values as it is, children. Minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13, minus 13 minus 13 minus 26, minus into minus plus. So 13 1 the 13 2. So now equate first and last, second and last. You will get like this. So send this value that side, children. It will come multiplication. Here also same concept. So 2 3 are 6. 2 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Send plus that side minus. Send minus that side, it will come plus. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So point of contact h comma k, how much we got? 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1. So next seventh problem also same condition, children. Same as it is. Whatever you did like sixth problem, you will do seventh problem, same process, children. It is also very very important. So here show that the tangent at minus 1 comma 2 of the circle. So this is a circle given, children, touches the circle. and find its point of contact. So given first circle is this one, children. Comparing means we will get g value, f value and c value. So before we is given standard equation, so we got simply. So this is the first circle, children, second circle. Both circles are touching each other like this. So here point P is given how much? -1, 2. So equation of tangent at P -1, 2 with respect to s is equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. This is well known formula to you. Simplify. After simplifying, you are getting equation line as this one, children. Next, to show that equation 2 touches the circle s dash equal to 0 and find point of contact. So touching condition means r is equal to d. So this is the second circle, children. Again compare. So while comparing, you take g dash, f dash, c dash. So you will get g dash, f dash, c dash, children. So center formula is for this one minus g dash comma minus f dash, means positive negative, positive will become negative. C is equal to -2 comma -3. Next radius, children. So second circle now, that's why under root g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Substitute the values, you will get radius is root 13. Next consider d is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. Whatever you got the line, how much you got? This one, 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So apply the formula, you'll get d value also root 13 only like this. So from equation 4 and 5 we will get r equal to d. So this line is a tangent to both circles. So apply to find point of contact, apply again same diagram. So foot of perpendicular from center to the line, apply and simplify, you will get point of contact as 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. Next eighth one, children, find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So yesterday we did in example problem, children. Given circle is this one. So comparing, you will get g value, f value, c value. So after that what we should do, children? Same process. Center we have to calculate minus g comma minus f. So 2 comma minus 3. Why? Because here minus into minus it will become plus. Here minus. So find radius, children. R equals to under root g square plus f square minus c. So g value is -2, f value is 3, minus of -12, 4, 9, minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 12 is 25. Root 25 means 5. So given line is this one, children. So is asking to find the equation of tangent to the circle parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So parallel condition means I already told. Take the circle. So this is a tangent, center, radius. So parallel condition means what I told, children. Take this as it is. In place of constant you should keep k. Tangent parallel to equation 3 is x plus y plus k equal to 0. Parallel to equation 3 is x plus y plus k. So r equal to perpendicular distance from line to the center. So formula is same. Modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So a value 1, b value 1, c value how much, children? C value is k. So radius how much we got, children? 5. And substitute the value, say 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 3 plus k by 1 square plus 1 square. So x1 y1 is here center values, children. So 1 into 2 is 2, plus into minus is minus, plus k by 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1. So 2 minus 3 is -1, children, plus k. 1 plus 1, 2, root 2. Send here 5 root 2 it will become. So write like this, children. So send modulus that side, it will become plus or minus. Send -1 that side, it will become plus 1. So k equal to plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Substitute in equation 4. So what is the equation 4, children? X plus y plus, here k value is how much? 1 plus or minus root 5, 5 root 2 is equal to 0, which is required equation of tangent parallel to s equal to 0. Important 4 marks question, children. Next ninth one also, important 4 marks question. So find the equation of tangent to the circle which are perpendicular to line. So perpendicular is given here, parallel is given, children. So given circle is same, children. Compare, you will get g value, f value, c value, find the center, find the radius, and after that given line is, children, this one. So is asking to find equation of tangent to the circle perpendicular to line. So same diagram, children, same diagram. Here P, here C, this is a tangent tangent touching the circle. So tangent perpendicular to equation 3 is, so perpendicular condition what, children? Bx minus ay. So here b value how much, children? B value, if you compare a value 3, b value minus 1. So minus 1 means minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus formula, children. Here b value is 3. Wait, children. Here x plus by plus c. A value 3, children. B value minus 1. So here formula is bx minus ay, children. Here formula is bx minus ay plus some other constant k is equal to 0. So b value is minus 1 means minus x plus minus a value is 3, children. That's why I wrote here 3 plus k. So if you take minus common, it will become plus. So here you should write plus k only, children. Don't write minus k. That's it. That is a concept. So majorly you should see this only, bx minus ay. So you'll get like this, children, line. So after the same process, children, r is equal to perpendicular distance from this line x plus 3y plus k equal to 0 to the center. So radius you got root 5, children. So again perpendicular distance formula, this one. So after simplifying, you are getting like this. After that, do cross multiplication. So root 5 into root 10 is root 5 into 10. So 5 10 the 50, children. So this becomes like this. So 50 can be written as 25 into 2, children. Again root 25 into root 2 is root 25 means 5 root 2. So modulus is the other side, plus or minus. So k value how much we got, children? Send to that side, minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. Substitute k value in equation 4, we get, what is equation 4, children? X plus 3y plus k value is how much? Minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, which is required equation of the tangent perpendicular to s is equal to 0. Is it clear, children? So this is also very important 4 marks question. So okay.